I am David, I'm 33 years old. I realised I was losing my hair in my mid-20s, about 25, 26. It made me very self-conscious. I found myself looking in mirrors, morning mirrors at dinner time, and people had to reassure me all the time that my hair was fine, there's nothing wrong with it. But deep down inside I knew that I was losing my hair and I had to do something about it. Being introduced after being introduced from a friend to Dr. Khan and a good chat, we decided to go for another procedure, which was the FUE. I'm very scared of needles, as Khan was super gentle, and I can honestly say, after having both procedures done, FUT and FUE, I would opt for FUE every time. It's now been 24 months since my last transplant with Dr. Khan, and I can honestly say I couldn't be any more happier with it. The transplant procedure was very good. It was quite quick, and I didn't have any tightness on the back of my head. There's no scars, and the results is absolutely impeccable. After having the transplant, there is a little bit of aftercare, which is quite important. You really have to look after yourself for a couple of days afterwards, and this really does affect your results. So be very careful with how you wash your hair, and don't be too concerned about sort of sore areas, as it really does. It recovers very quickly. You'd be quite surprised. It's a great procedure, and I can highly recommend it over FUT. FUE is definitely the procedure to have. And if you are thinking of a transplant, come down and see Dr. Khan. She will make you feel like part of the clinic. Great backroom staff, great people here, and I would definitely recommend Dr. Khan to anybody out there who's considering taking a transplant. She's absolutely brilliant at what she does. So come down.